Good morning, everyone. Today I'm gonna show you my embellishments that I got in the swap over the last month, and or swaps I should say. And I think I must have showed you the summer tags. It's like I haven't put everything away, so it's like I've just got it in a box. I really need to put them away. So I think my first thing to show you is Daddy Dearest. It was anything to do with Dad. And I did fishing, so this one was mine. There's this one here with the shirt and tie, the heart, the pen in the pocket, and Dad. And this is by Mallory. And isn't that just so cute? I love it. I mean, and I love it when it's got a word on it, because I'm thinking it could just be a title. And then I got Happy Father's Day. This would be great for a card too. And I don't know who it's by because it doesn't say. And this one is by Sandy Smith, and it's got #1 Dad, and that's cute, the shape of it, fun. And this one here, it is by Cherie, and it's got a truck. It says special delivery, and then it says Dad, it's your day. So this would be cute to put on a Father's Day card or on a layout with Father on it. So those are cute. I'm trying to do them in order. Okay, and then the little buckaroo, anything Western is allowed. And this one was mine. And I must did two. I'll have to check with my friend to see if I gave her hers. I might have done two, because this one I did miss cutting the boot, so I had to keep that one. So I but I still might owe her one, because I give her one every time. Okay, so I've got the cowgirls and the horses, and boy, this is where I really spilt glue. So I'm sure that's why I kept that one. And then this one here is, let's see, it is by Ren, and so it's a banner with boots and a cactus, and then it's got the little handkerchief and a cowgirl hat, or a cowboy hat. So that's super cute. She put the date on it too, that it's good, because I wish I would have put names on everything, because I look at it and I'm thinking, when is this from? This is by Linda Phelps, and she's got the cute horse. And this one here is by Kimberly. These two are. So the little cowgirl and the little cowboy. Aren't those cute? They're so fun. And look at, she's got like a leopard skin hat. Because we use our scraps. I think that's so fun. And then I've got a pocket by Linda Whitworth with a bandana in it. So that is super cute. I mean, and I could use like these guys together. That'd be so fun. Okay. Oh, and then I think this might be from Linda, because she was the captain, and sometimes she puts in, yeah, this is from Linda. She'll put in like little banners and little labels and little tickets and stuff like that. So those are always fun. I have kept them in here, but I really just need to put them with my other ones, so I realize I have them. Okay, and then we have snapshots. I was just gonna say some weird word. Okay, mine must always be on top or something. I think it's what, so I know which one is mine, or which one it is. Okay, I have extra one of these, and none of them are exactly right because the things didn't come out of them. But I made the camera with the film, and I actually took those two apart, I think. And then I gave them the little interiors from these. That's what this is. So they got a frame with the little Polaroids hanging from a clothesline, which I thought was kind of fun. And I'm gonna put these in here so I don't lose them. Okay, so I gave them the little white parts so they could put them in here and maybe doodle on them so they look like pictures, because otherwise they're just empty Polaroids. And then I got a camera, and this is by Linda. And I love the little cameras, especially when they're floral. In fact, when I bought a camera, that was my goal. It's like, I'm gonna make floral cameras. And then we have this mouse saying, "Say cheese," and isn't that fun? It's so cute. Did I say this was from Linda? Yeah. And so this is so cute. And look at all the pieces she had to cut out. I know that takes a lot of time because I've done a couple now where it's a lot. And this is by Andrea. That's a lot of pieces to glue together. Okay, and then this one here, it's a camera with a flash, so it's like an old-fashioned one. And then it's got a little film too. Let me see if I can just pull this out. This is the kind of camera my dad used to have. And then the little film, so that's really cute. I really want to get a film that's big enough that you could put like a 3x4 picture in it, or a 3x3 picture or something like that. Okay, there's another one of those little hearts. And this one says "Photo Love." And this is taped to the back of it. And this is by Jennifer S. And so she's got a camera too, and "Photo Love." Those are so fun. I just, there was one week where I got, I think 3 embellishments on, 2 of them were on the same day. It was like so exciting. Okay, what's next? Next is Fruit Frenzy. And again, I got some of the little tabs and stuff that Linda puts in. And this is like anything with fruit, right? Anything with fruit. So this one is a cupcake with a cherry on top and a candle in it. So I'm thinking it's probably cherry cupcake too. And that's really cute. I love the polka dot paper, and the cherry is adorable. And that's a lot of little pieces to cut out. And this is the one I made. Oh, and I didn't say who this was. Oh, that's from Linda. Okay. And this is the one I did with the strawberries and the mouse. And this one here is some fruit. Now I haven't even taken these out. It's like I keep just throwing them in the box, and then I look through them when I show you guys. But I need to really put them away. Okay. Oh, and these are like shaker pieces. That is cute. This one's stuck to my strawberry. So it's got an orange, and actually it's one of those blood oranges that you can only get if you live in Florida, because they're so good they don't let them leave the state. That's my thoughts on it. And then here's maybe a peach, and then, or it could be another orange, but I think it's probably a peach. And here's some cherries. Oh, let me lay them separate. Ain't that cute? And here's some, I'm gonna say it's melon marmalade, because that's what I make. And a pear. This is definitely a peach, but it's either a really small peach or a really big strawberry. So those are so cute. And then some little shaker pieces. That is so fun. And who is that from? This is from Beverly Morrison. It's like sometimes the light hits it just right and I can't make out some of the letters, and that was like making the M look weird. Okay, guess I can just pick those up afterwards. Okay, I'm just gonna push them over there. Okay, and then this one has a little bikini with watermelon on it, and isn't that cute? Good Day Sunshine. That's by the Beatles. Except for I have it by some girl singing it, and I got it free when I was a kid. It was like the second record I ever got. Okay, this has lemons, and this is by Sandy Smith, more lemons, a watermelon, some orange slices, and another lemon. So cute. I love these. Love them. Okay, and then I'm gonna do, let's see, then did we have the main swap next? Okay, then we had the picnic, but I don't think oh, the picnic was a main swap, so we won't get that until a little bit later. Okay, then we had Christmas in July. And this is the one I made, the girl carrying all the presents. And these here are from Missy Wiles. I think she made all these, yep. So, and she put some kind of sparkle on them, so that's really cute. And here's baby Jesus. Oh, come let us adore him. And then the Holy Family again. Yeah, and they're all from Missy. Okay, and this is from Linda Jean. And isn't this cute? I love this kind of jingle bell. Or, you know, bell, Christmas bell. And I think this is such a cute die. I would like to have a whole bunch of those. And I was the first one in my group to get my embellishment in. So Linda sent me this little gnome. He's like a little elf gnome with a bunch of presents. Isn't that cute? And he's stitched all around. I love it. And I thought this wasn't written on. Yep, and that's by Linda too. Yep. And then this, do I know who this is from? I was thinking that I knew who it was from, but I'm not sure. And it almost looks like she wrote it with marker and then sketched. I'm not really sure. But it says, "Oh Holy Night," so that's really nice. Oh, and I got one more. I left the one in the package for last. Okay, and this is from Michelle. And it's got the 3 gifts put together. Isn't that cute? Lots of fun stuff, okay? I think I just have the one more. And this is, I want to call it what it is. Huh. This is it pool party? I think it's anything with swimming pool. And I don't know how come I can't find it on my list here. What done you? Slice more. I don't know. Must have been something I already took out. Kitchen. Summertimes. Okay, well it's something with swimming pool. So I did this one. And then I have, let's see. I've got this little girl here, and this is from Xanthony. Isn't that cute? She rubber stamped and colored. And this one says, "What a splash." And this is also from Xanthony. I think I'm pronouncing her name right. And then I have a beach ball, and this is from Sandy. Pool party. And this is from Missy Wiles. Sunglasses. And this is from Judy. And look at this. It's a flamingo. It's by Andrea. Isn't that fun? And I am going to take this out of here because seeing it through the plastic bag does not do it justice. I love getting something I can use for a title. Fun at the pool, and she's got these dimensional because it was a main swap, so you get 10 and you can make them a little dimensional. And then this one is from, oh, I forgot to say who it was from. This is from Salford. Did I say who this was from? Yeah, Andrea. And this is from Michelle. And it's little popsicles, and they have stitching. Isn't that cute? And this is Swim, Enjoy. That is so cute. Oh, Swim, Enjoy. That is so cute. I love it. And this is from Teresa Allen. And this is, I was going to say it's a bunch of little things, but I think it's just a tag. I think it's a tag with all the stuff on it. That is cute. And these are like little sequins on here, and they look like real shells the way that they glisten. And this is from, I'm not sure how to spell it or how to pronounce the name. It's Velic. I'm not even sure. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. It's like Valkyrie or something. That's cute. And pool, and look at, it's beach balls and sunscreen make the L. These make the O's. Isn't that cute? Another title. And here's a swimming pool. Ah, it goes this way. I was gonna say something's wrong. I thought the perspective was wrong. And this is by Ginger. That is so cute. Did I say who this was from? Oh, this is by Ginger. So you got the swimming pool and the pool. Okay, that's why there were stickers, because I kept thinking, what were these for? That explains it all. So aren't those so cute? So that's it for now, and I will be getting in some other things because I have 4 things here that I made that I don't have the other ones for. And so, I must not have wrote down the pool because it was a main swap, but usually I write it on my list. So thank you for joining me. It's so fun. And I will have all the information down below in case you decide that you would like to come and swap with us. And also, the people that make the videos, I will have them listed below, and all the people that show their stuff on Instagram, but maybe don't have videos. So, thank you for joining me. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.